My dear child, in the quiet moments when the world seems to forget you, I want you to know that I see you. I see the struggles you hide behind a brave face, the silent battles you fight as you navigate through life's uncertainties. Your tears, unshed or streaming down your cheeks, carry a weight that often goes unnoticed, yet they hold immense significance in the tapestry of your existence. Each drop is a testament to your strength, a silent prayer yearning for understanding and hope, echoing my deepest concerns for you. In your moments of despair, when the shadows lengthen and the night feels endless, remember that you are never truly alone. I walk beside you, though you may not always sense my presence. The gentle embrace of the wind, the warmth of sunlight filtering through the leaves, and the soft whispers of nature all serve as reminders of my unwavering love and support. These natural wonders speak of resilience, urging you to rise above the pain that seeks to anchor your spirit. Embrace these signs. They carry messages of hope stitched into the fabric of the universe. Your heart is a vessel of dreams waiting to blossom, and though storms may batter its shores, trust in the process of healing. Allow time to weave its magic, unknitting the knots of sorrow and stitching them into stories of triumph. Seek solace in the little joys, an unexpected smile, the laughter shared with friends, the beauty and the colors of the sunset. Each moment is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life, painting a narrative that will lead you toward redemption and joy, illuminating the path ahead. As you journey onward, remember that peace is not a distant shore, but a state of being within you. It is cultivated through self-love and compassion. When doubts whisper softly in your ear, counter them with affirmations of your worth and potential. You are a beautiful soul deserving of happiness, capable of achieving greatness beyond your imagination. Allow the light within you to guide you back home, where love reigns supreme and dreams are nurtured. So, my dear child, as you stand at the crossroads of uncertainty, lift your head high and let your heart radiate hope. I will restore your peace in ways you never imagined, scattering seeds of joy along your path. Trust that there is a grand design at play, and your journey is an essential part of it. Hold on to your dreams tightly, for they are the stars illuminating your night sky, guiding you toward the fulfillment you seek. Support the mission of love and hope. Join us in spreading Jesus' teachings and uplifting lives by contributing just $25. Your donation helps provide resources, community support, and spiritual guidance to those in need. Type Amen if you believe in God.